Connecting a vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, set up a new PayPal account. So once you have made an account, it will ask you if you want to add a credit card or bank. Next, click on Credit Card. Now, type in the information requested at the same billing address you entered earlier in Step 1. Once you have done this, it will ask you for 4-digit confirmation code. Here, to get this number, you will need to get into Vanilla Visa's website and enter the card information again. For this, go to the Vanilla Visa website. Next, enter your Visa card number. This is a 16-digit number on the front. Right below where you have entered your card number, there is another box. This is where you will enter your serial number. Hence, after entering both numbers in Step 4, you should be in Account History. To the left, there should be a drop-down bar with different links right below. You are on the page to enter your information for online use. Enter the information you will need to get to your new PayPal account to accept your card. Then, Step 3 is to go back to a PayPal account. Therefore, following these simple steps, you can connect the Vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal.